finished stairway, all done. A little better than a year, but you know what? I got her done. But this is only one part of this whole work of art log home. The arcade room. This is where we are right now, the arcade room. As we go into, let's see, we have the bar with 3 fish jumping out of the glass top lake, and the eagle swooping down to grab the fish. Cabinets behind. And of course the massive stone fireplace. I saw the stonemason was here today that set that thing. Pretty decent guy. I would have liked to have been able to spend some more time to ask him how he got some of this massive stuff in place. I mean, set it with a crane kind of stuff. This is all real stone, you know. These things are hundreds of pounds on some of these pieces. And of course, this goes back to the theater here. Pretty cool. This whole platform sits on rubbery cushion stuff, so you feel the sound come up through the floor. Watch Die Hard there, huh? Control center, the heart of the functioning house. Oh man, miles of cable, you know, of course all of the in-floor heat and the power supply, and I don't know that I've ever seen so many miles of wiring. And of course it's all remote control, and program this and program that, and hit one. Each switch has 8 choices for it as far as different lighting sequences and patterns and what you turn on from one place and monitored from someplace else. It's a log house, yes, but this has come some kind of high-tech place, let me tell you. Let's go take a look at the kitchen, huh? Of course, you got to go under the bridge to get there. The log work in here is just beautiful. It's creative is what it is, very creative. And of course, in-floor heat again. And these 2 columns are juniper, just the same as the stairway was made out of. It's just reacting differently, you know, it's just how the crazy stuff grows. But it's the same species of wood, species of tree, as what the stairway is made from. More of this beautiful stonework, fireplace and wood storage. And then we're going to go upstairs. We'll walk through the chimney. I love this stairway. Let's take a walk over the covered bridge. Notice the archway. And then, how often do you get to walk through a chimney, huh? This place is something else. I tell you what, the guys that built this, they are some of the best. Most of the lighting controls throughout the upper floor of the house are taken care of. This room, that's what it's for, the lighting controls. So how long does a house like this take? Planning stages, that could be a long time. Actual construction, you are looking at a year, year and a half, maybe 2 years. The detail that goes into this, and one process contingent on the next, and it just goes on and on and on. I hate to tease you with all of this, but I got to get back to work. But I'm sure we'll get you back here to visit again. I think we probably will do that. You know, where do you find a bridge from one side of the house through the fireplace to the other side of the house? Wherever do you find that?